Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Rainbow Wallet on your iPhone. Rainbow Wallet is a popular and easy to use Ethereum EVM compatible crypto wallet, and it lets you store, send, receive crypto, manage NFTs and connect to Web3 apps securely from all your phone. So let's get started. So first you need to unlock your iPhone and open to the App Store. Over here on the bottom you can see there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar and simply type down Rainbow Wallet and search for it. Over here on the search, you need to select one of the Rainbow Wallet from the CryptoDeFi Web3. Tap over here, and after that you can select the tab, then authenticate using a Face ID, Touch ID or the Apple ID passwords. Double click to install it and the app will now start downloading. And once the download is complete, you can select Tap Open or find the Rainbow Wallet on your home screen and you can tap there as well, and Rainbow Wallet will now launch on your iPhone. And when you open to the app, you'll see a welcome screen. To tap Get Started, you'll have two options: create a new wallet, import an existing wallet using a recovery phase. And if you're new, you can select a new wallet or follow the on-screen step to secure your wallet, and make sure to back up your recovery phrase safely, never share it on anyone. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded and installed Rainbow Wallet on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.